Hello guys, I'm the kind of cousin and I'm going to be making a short vlog today. I was fishing, I caught a reef fish, but this happened to my pole. I got caught on a tune and I was casting out. It looks like a ghost. Yeah, I don't know what lake it is, but I'll show you guys. I'm here with my mom, my grandma, my sister, and my dad. Well, I hope you enjoy. Like I said in the last video, I need help figuring out screen recorder that for my phone, not Mobizen. That I also had that, and Snappy, and tons of others I tried. So if you have any ideas, tell me. Make sure to put the phone. Bye.